Today we're here at Nicker Hill in Keyworth. We're lucky enough to have Laura here swapping the famous white tent for the lovely Richmond kitchen for a festive bake.
I am at Red Rose open house event today baking some lovely chocolate and salted caramel Florentines. They're having a festive open house, which is very exciting. There's mulled wine, lots of Christmas stuff, it's beautiful. I think the Florentines have gone down really well so far. We've had some really happy customers and lots of satisfied, smiley faces, so that's always good, isn't it?
It's like Christmas cake in a bite. That's so nice, so chewy.
With the chocolate, which is, I'm making a mess.
Got the best of both worlds here at Nicker Hill. So you're very rural, so you've got that nice villagey feel, yet only 6 miles away from Nottingham city centre.
I am absolutely in love with this kitchen. Like, this is actually my dream kitchen, like to have an island. I love the space, love the colour. Like, this is actually perfection for me. It's beautiful. For me, Christmas is all about kind of obviously family and like gathering around, you know, the kitchen and the sort of dining table. And like, for me, the kitchen is really the heart of the home. And my home is such a little hub for everyone at Christmas. Everyone comes round and we're trying to sort of get everyone involved with the baking and the cooking. And that's what really makes Christmas for me, and the mince pies, obviously.
Red Row are very precious on the community. It's all about the community feel. So something like this, it brings it all to light and people go out feeling happy. So people that want to know more about Nicker Hill, they just need to go on the website, follow the directions, book an appointment online, and we'll get straight back to them.